Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This video is going to be about drawing symmetrically. So I drew an ellipse. You could draw any shape, 2-point line, start moving, hold down the control button, hit P, and then get your virtual segment delete key and delete half of it. And you can actually do probably a quarter of it. Take this one, go up to edit and clone it. While holding down your control button, get the two-sided arrow and flip it over. Now, this says clone curve, this says control curve. Grab your shape tool and add a node, and whatever you do on this side is going to do it on that side. And you could add as many nodes as you wanted, and you could right-click and turn it into a cusp, where only one handle will move, and you could make any shape size you wanted. You know, if you wanted to put a couple of nodes, like 3 nodes, and then take that node and move it up there, kind of getting a devil's face, you know, and then you could move it over, and whatever you wanted to do, it's going to mimic the other side. And then always take your Smart Fill tool and fill it in. And what the Smart Fill tool does is makes a new object. And now these lines are sealed where these are still broken. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.